When returning your Cutco knives for sharpening or repair, it's best to send them back in the original sheath that they came in. If the sheath is not available, you can make one out of a piece of cardboard. A cereal box works well for this purpose. Fold the box and place the knife inside. Then, tape the box closed. Do not use tape directly on the blades and handles. Then, roll the knife in packing material such as newspaper. Once you have finished sheathing and wrapping the knives, place them in a cardboard box. Do not place them in a padded envelope. To further secure the box, add additional packaging or packing material. Lastly, place your printed service request form in the box and close the box. Tape it for return shipment.